we've been having issues where no matter what we do, you can get a green light on here, but as soon as you start running in and out with the winch, it just bumps once and then stops doing anything. When you plug it in, it works perfectly fine. This is a pretty common issue. It seems like once a year we run into this, and it's a pretty simple fix. Alright, so right about now you're gonna think, wow, this is a simple fix. All you do is take out these 4 screws right here, and I will speed up the video so you don't have to watch this. So as you'll notice, the 2 smaller screws go in the handle, 2 larger screws go up top. And you'll need an A23 battery. And all you do is pull and separate. And I already had my battery out. But you just take your battery and put it right in the slot there. Slide everything back in its position. Throw all 4 screws back in and give her a test. So we come back over here, turn the power to on, and in and out should work now. Alright, so the first try didn't work. The battery didn't do anything. So I took the screws out of here so I could get at the power cables, disconnected the battery, and from what I'm seeing, it's probably going to be this switch, so we'll test that out and see. Phillips screws on the bottom. Alright, so this is a pretty easy test. We're going to run a jumper. So right now if you hit that, put a jumper on this and see if it'll fix it. Let's see if it goes out. Look at that. So all we have to do is replace that switch on this box. Alright, just to recap. So these two red wires right here come off of the switch. That's where the problem is. That switch isn't very waterproof, so after a couple uses or getting wet, it'll drop out. So now we're gonna go locate a new switch for that and install it and test it out. Alright, well, after a disappointing battery install, I went and got a new switch, and I'll put a link in the description on where to get this. Same switch, just this one's lit, so it has 3 wires. So we will wire this up and verify that it works. Is. So it doesn't work now. It's wireless, so just have to wire in. Now we're going to tap into the black wire in the center of the relay box. This will be run to the switch and connect to the copper fitting. This will allow it to light up when the switch is active. Alright, so when it's turned on, got the ground hooked up there. When it's turned on, it'll be lit up. Pretty nice. Alright, so you gotta work away some of the plastic with a file so that it'll fit. It is not a perfect fit. Now just plug in the wires where they belong. Alright, so as you can see, this little switch and a battery is all it took to get this thing working. Hit the button, turn it on, turn on your remote, out it goes. Just like it's supposed to. Down in the description below, I'll list the products I use to get this thing going. If you could hit the subscribe button, that helps me more than anything else. If you liked the video, that'd be awesome. Comment below if it worked for you. Tell me how long it took you to get these 2 bolts on the back side out. It took me about 20 minutes just for that. Thanks for watching.